guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers on CapCut PC. Now when you edit like long enough, they don't really have this option for some reasons, but like it's actually more simple that way. But if you can't like order layers by like just dragging them around, you can simply do this. I'm just going to show you an example. I'm just going to add this like picture, for instance. I'm going to add this on top, and this will stay at the back as like all the time, sorry. But these ones are layers, so we have like layer 1, 2, and like 3 maybe. Here we go. And for instance, I want this layer to be on the third layer, so I'm just going to press on this layer, scroll down and press layer 3, and as you can see, it will be on the very top. Let me just mask this so you guys can get a good idea. And then for instance, this one, I move it up here, but it's still on the first layer, and I want to move it to the second one. Go to basic and then select the second layer, and as you can see, it will stay behind this one, but it will still be on top of this one. So I put the black background as the back layer, so it's on the first layer, as you can see, and the white one will still be at the very back because it is like I set it as the background of the video. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!